Largo Concrete is a premier concrete contractor located here in Orange County, California.
Due to rising electricity costs, their office contracted Revel Energy to provide a turnkey energy solution. Historically, California businesses have experienced at least 3% year-over-year growth in electricity costs. Many businesses have seen much higher rates. Revel Energy was able to size a 218 kilowatt rooftop and carport system estimated to produce almost 375,000 kilowatt hours annually. This translates to significant energy cost savings. The entire system consists of almost 600 PV modules rated for 370 watts each. 6 SolarEdge inverters and 294 power optimizers were added to increase the system's efficiency. The system is estimated to produce $2.8 million of electricity over its 30-year lifespan. LED lighting was installed throughout the building to further reduce electricity usage. As part of the turnkey service, Revel Energy's project managers worked with Tustin city authorities and code enforcement along the way to collect permits. After construction, project managers worked with local utility providers for interconnection and permission to operate. Largo Concrete joins a long list of Revel Energy customers saving on electricity while lowering their carbon emissions. Revel Energy's team of commercial and agricultural solar specialists offer turnkey solutions for California businesses to lower their electricity costs, ultimately increasing cash flow. For a free comprehensive analysis, contact a Revel Energy solar specialist today.